Hi everyone, welcome to my allotment. Today I am sorting out my second Bokashi bin. The first one in my previous video I mixed in with some of my homemade compost, and I am gonna go check and see how that's doing, if it's broken down and what the worm activity is like. Sorry, all the hobbyists are out. And then I'm gonna put this one on top because it has been fermenting for 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna put some more compost on top and then seal it again. So we're gonna see what the progress is like. So first of all, I need to empty the liquid from it, and this one for some reason has been very wet, so I guess it depends on what you put in it. But that's good because we actually have a drain that needs to be unblocked, or it's a bit smelly. So if you put Bokashi tea in neat, the flora, the microflora that's in this takes over and outcompetes the smelly stuff that might be growing, the anaerobic bacteria that can cause some real smells. So it's good that we're getting a lot, so I might do a few drains. Otherwise I use it to feed my greenhouse plants, so I do that once a week. So what I collect, there usually isn't this much, this is just a very wet one. Yeah, so I just dilute it 1 in 100 and I feed that to the plants. If you're doing more often, feeding more often, or maybe indoor ones, you might want to dilute it a bit more. All right, let's get into it, see what it looks like. Right, so that was pretty impressive. Like, most of the stuff had actually been broken down already. There was some eggshells, and I think there was like a whole lemon that wasn't completely gone yet, but that was only in 2 weeks. All that quite coarse stuff had broken down. And what's left to do then is just to wash out the bin. And as you can see, there's some bran left. I couldn't get it out, but that should be fine. And then I just rinse this with water, and then I start filling it again. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the system. It works well for us. I think if you're a larger family, we're 2 adults and a toddler. If you're a larger family, you might want to have more of these because you might fill one up So I have two, and it takes me 2 weeks approximately to fill one up. So by the time the first one has fermented, it's then ready to be emptied, and I can then use the next one. So that works pretty good. So I'm really impressed with it. So the way it ferments the kitchen waste first seems to really work. I mean, you can even put in bones, which is just impressive, and cooked food, and it's not an issue. And it's not smelly in the house, though you have to be careful with the tap that it's closed, otherwise it starts to leak. Or if you have a toddler who likes to put her fingers on everything, then yeah, be a bit careful. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions. I leave you there, and I hope you have a good day.